Hello and welcome to my Open EMR software presentation to assist PAs by Megan Norstrud. So we'll start off with an introduction. Open EMR is an online solution providing electronic medical records, medical billing, and scheduling. The Open EMR software offers customizable forms that best fit the practice's specific needs, note-taking capabilities, and digital document management. Open EMR's billing capabilities support both electronic medical billing and traditional paper claims. The software scheduling system helps users to find available appointments, sort appointments into different categories, and track their appointments times. There's a calendar function available on Open EMR's mobile app, enabling physicians and patients to keep track of their appointments from anywhere. How is this helpful? Better healthcare is given by the software by improving all aspects of patient care, including safety, effectiveness, and efficiency. In a situation where a patient is unconscious or unable to communicate, an EMR can alert the physician about life-threatening allergies or conditions. EMRs provide access to information and resources that ultimately result in better treatments. The software enables physicians to exchange information with one another remotely and in real time, making sure every clinician dealing with a patient has a current and complete accurate file. So now we're going to go ahead and click on this link that'll take us to the patient portal. And we're going to go ahead and log in as a patient first. And when you log in as a patient, it is first going to take you to the dashboard of Susan Underwood, in which you can see all the medications, her allergies, and issues that she has. She has diabetes in this case, and this will show you everything you need to know. If she wants to view any of her reports, she can go through here, her accountings, and then there's a chat box in which she can talk with all these recipients, which can be doctors, physicians, PAs, or nurses, in order to get information if she's having an issue. She can go ahead and go here and sign all of these documents in order to approve of anything like the HIPAA document or medical privacy, and discussing who she will allow her medical results to be shared with. So then if we go ahead and go over to here, we can go ahead and log in as a physician instead and see what it looks like on their side of the computer. So once we log in, it will go ahead and show the calendar area in which doctors can go ahead and click and schedule an appointment for an office visit, what clinic they're going to, the time and the date, and this will go ahead and pop up in the patient's portal. They can also go to reports and see all the different reports for the person. They can also schedule procedures and go ahead with all of these. They can send these to the patient, and the patient can go ahead and look at that with the doctor's notes, and from there they can call their doctor and schedule a follow-up appointment. The patient finder allows doctors to go through and click on a patient and see all of their billing, their future appointments, and they can see that they're past due on these. This person has future appointments soon, so the doctor can go ahead and send them reminders, as well as they can see all the demographics, any messages that has been sent, and labs and vitals. So now we're going to go ahead and go back to the PowerPoint and finish everything up. So the conclusion. Overall, my thoughts of the software is that it provides so many great advantages to both the physician and the patient. As a future PA, my main point is to be the communicator between the physician and patient, and this Open EMR software will help aid in that. The only critiques I have about this software is that it is online, and it does have the possibility of getting hacked and leaking the patient's medical records. Thus, it puts both the physician and the patient at risk. This last page is my references, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.